Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few different outfits for Rakhi. All of these outfits are from Amazon because the Amazon Great Freedom Festival sale is live from the 1st to the 6th of August. Prime members enjoy an exclusive 12-hour early access window beginning at 12 p.m. on 31st July ahead of the public sale. So make use of the sale and get all your essentials at massive discounts. I will have all the product links in the description box. The first outfit is this really simple sleeveless mustard yellow printed kurta set from Indoera. It is really simple, casual and very affordable, perfect for this hot and humid season. Since this set is really simple, to make it a little festive, I have added lots of jewelry like a statement Afghan neck piece, a stunning handcuff and a ring, carrying a black bag to complete the look. The best part is you can change the accessories and reuse the outfit for casual outings and also to run errands. This outfit is perfect for people who do not like dressing up too much. The second outfit is also from Indoera and it is this beautiful bandhni kurta set. The kurta has 3/4 sleeves and a really modest neckline. The kurta is in moss green and it comes with this really bright Rani pink pants. The kurta has this beautiful embroidered neckline and bits of pink print on it, which is making it a little festive. This is a simple kurta but you can style it and make it really festive. For jewelry, I have opted for these really long Afghan earrings and a statement ring. It comes with this beautiful Rani pink dupatta with a bandhni border. Also, I have the perfect bag with this look, this Rani pink clutch bag. And that is it. This is the finished look. I really like it and it's very comfortable. You can definitely go for something like this for Rakhi. Next is this really festive outfit. It's a bandhni printed kurta with this embroidery in front. It comes with a pair of solid color red pants and a dupatta with a beautiful matching border. The fabric is a blended one but it's very comfortable. Some colors and patterns just scream festive and this is one such outfit. So if you're looking for something bright, happy, cheerful for Rakhi, then you can definitely go for this one. I've kept the accessories really simple, just wearing a pair of earrings with green beads and a statement ring. Also carrying this metallic clutch bag to complete the look. The final outfit is this kurta set with really bold floral prints all over. It has really bright colors. The kurta comes with a pair of matching pants. It has a collar and buttons in front, however the buttons cannot be opened. The kurta is not very festive, however you can make it festive by just adding a statement neck piece. Like here I'm wearing this beautiful necklace with pink beads and a multicolor pendant. Also wearing the matching earrings. Carrying this metallic clutch bag to complete the look. So if you want to wear something bright, then you can definitely try this look. So that is it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I'll have all the product details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.